Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter mixed operations. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 1 math. Chapter we are on right now is mixed operations with the lesson that is addition false. Which sentence is true? So basically we are given more than true, right? So let's just start with an example. Like we can start with the test questions. Which sentence is true? You are given two of the sentences, right? We can add them and see which one is the correct one. Start with the first one, that is 2 plus 3 equals 5. Let's just add this side, right? And see if both sides are exactly equal. So start adding 3 and 2. 3 plus 2. 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2. Now count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 makes 5. So this side you have 5 and 5 is equal to 5. So that is the correct one because the sum of the both 2 plus 3 is 5 and on the other side you are already also given 5. So 2 plus 3 makes 5. So the correct option is 5. So option number 1 is the correct option. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Which sentence is true? So we are given two of the sentences. That is 1 plus 3 equals 4 and 4 plus 1 equals 5. So let's just add 1 plus 3. 1, 1, 2, 3. Now count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4, but 4 is not equal to 3. False it is, right? Now add the other side. 4 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. 5 is equal to 5. Yes, it is. So both sides are exactly equal. So 5 is equal to 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. 4 plus 1 equals 5. Which sentence is true? 4 minus 3 equals 3. So just subtract. Make 4 lines and remove 3 of them. So 1 is not equal to 3. 1 plus 3, 3 and 1, 4. So 4 is equal to 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 1 plus 3 equals 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 5 take away 2 equals 3. 5 take away 2 equals 3 and 1 plus 1 equals 5. So let's just subtract and see which one is the correct option. 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2, just subtract. 5 take away 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 5 lines, remove 2 of them. And we are left with 1, 2, 3. So 3 is equal to 3. So option number 1 is the correct option. The equals 3. Which sentence is true? 4 plus 1 equals 3 and 2 minus 1 equals 1. So which is the correct option? Let's just solve of the options and see which is the correct option. 4 plus 1, you need to add 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 4 lines and 1 line. Now count them together because we need to add 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 5. So 5 is equal to 3. No, they are not equal, right? So that isn't the correct option. Now go with the second one. 2 minus 1. Make 2 lines, remove one of them, and we are left with only one line. So 1 is equal to 1. Yes, it is. So both sides are exactly equal. Got it? So the correct option is option number 2. That is 2 minus 1 equals 1. Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 equals 4 and 3 minus 1 equals 2. So which is the correct option? You need to add 1 plus 2 is 3. So 3 is not equal to 4. So that isn't the correct option. Go with the second one. 3 minus 1. Make 3 lines and remove one of them. So we are left with 2. And 2 is equal to 2. So option number 2 is the correct option. 3 take away 1 is 2. Got it? Option number 2 is the correct option. Which sentence is true? 1 plus 2 equals 5 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So which is the correct option? So 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 is not equal to 5, right? So that option now 4 take away 4 is 0 and 0 is equal to 0. So option number 2 is the correct option. That is 4 minus 4 equals 0. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next, what number is 10? So 10 less than 84 means you just have to look at the tens and 84. 4 is the digit that is at the ones position and 8 is the digit that is at the tens position, right? Just subtract 1 from the tens digit, right? 4 take away 0 is 4 and 8 take away 1 is 7. 74 is 10 less than 84, right? 10 less than 84 means you need to subtract the tens digit, right? So you need to subtract the tens digit only. So let's just start with the test questions. Which number is 10 less than 78? So 10 less than 78 means you need to subtract 10, or either you can just subtract the ones from the tens digit. The rightmost digit is the digit that is at the ones position. So 8 is at the ones position and 7 is at the tens position. So 8 take away 0 is 8 and 7 take away 1 is 6. That is 68. So the correct option is 68. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 68. Number is 10 less than 84. So 84 and subtract tens. So the rightmost digit is the digit that is at the ones position. So 4 minus 0 is 4 and 8 minus 1 is 7. That is 74. The correct 74 option is the correct option. That is 74. What number is 10 less than 94? So you need to subtract 10 from 94 or just subtract the one from the tens digit. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So that is 84. Option number 2 is the correct option. What number is 10 less than 14? So subtract 10 from 14. So that is 14 minus 10. 4 minus 0 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So that is, oh, 10 more than 14. Sorry. Add 10 to 14. 14 plus 10. 4 plus 0 is 4. And 1 plus 1 is 2. That is 24. Option number 4 is the correct option. 24 it is. Which number is 10 less than 84? So we need to subtract 10 from 48. So 48 minus 10. 8 minus 0 is 8. 4 minus 1 is 3. That is 38. That is 38. Option number 4 is the correct option. That is 34. Which number is 10 less than 40? So which is the correct option? Ten less than 40. So subtract the 1 from the tens digit. So 4 minus 1 is 3. So 40 minus 30 is, the 40 minus 10 is 30. The correct option is option number 3. 30 it is. Oh, we have to find 10 more then. So 50 it is. We need to add, not subtract, right? So that would be 10 plus 40 is 50. Which number is 10 less than 35? So 10 less than 34 means you need to subtract from the tens digit. So 35 minus 10 is 25. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is add and subtract tens. So start 70 plus 0. So adding 0 to any number means the number stays the same, right? Like 0 plus 70. So 0 plus 70 is 70. Adding 0 to any number means the number stays the same. So 70 plus 0 is 70. Let's just start with the test questions. Add 60 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0 and 6 plus 2 is 6, 7, 8. So 6 plus 2 makes 8. That is 80. The correct option is 60 plus 20 is 80. The correct option is 80. Option number 3 is the correct option. 'Add 70 plus 0. Adding 0 to 70 means the number stays the same. 70 plus 0 is 70. Option number 3 is the correct option. 70 plus 20. 0 plus 0 is 0. And 7 plus 2 makes 7. 8, 9. 7 plus 2 makes 9. So 90 it is. That is 90. Option number 4 is the correct option. So 70 plus 20 is 90. 10 minus 0 is 10 minus 0 is 10. Subtracting 0 from any number means the number stays the same, whatever number it is. If you are subtracting from 0, the number stays the same. 40 plus 50. So let's just add 0 plus 0 means 0 plus 0 is 0 plus 0 is 0. Now add 4 plus 5. So start with 4, count up to 5. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 4 plus 5 makes. So that is 9. So 40 plus 50 makes 90. The correct option is 90. That is 90. 40 plus 50 makes 90. Option number 3 is the correct option. 70 plus 10. So 0 plus 0 is 0. So 7 plus 1 is 8. That is 80. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 80. 90 take away 20. 90 minus 20. 0 minus 0 is 0. We are subtracting, not adding. How 110? 9 minus 2 make 9 lines and subtract 2 of them. Now we need to count the rest of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 78 is not 110. You're not adding, you're subtracting. Seventy-eight is the correct option is 70. Option number 4 is the correct option. The next one is 90 take away 30. So 0 minus 0 is 0 and 9 minus 3 is 6. So that is 60. The correct option is 60. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is addition lesson. In this problem, what is 60? Let's just start with the test questions. In this problem, what is 58? So 36 plus 22 is 58. That is sum when adding two numbers, 58 is the sum of 36 and 22. So that is sum. Option number 2 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 42? 29 plus 13 equals 42. So adding two numbers, the result is sum. So 42 is the sum of 29 plus 13. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is sum. In this problem, what is 7? 44 minus 37. So we are subtracting, right? When we are subtracting, the answer is known as the difference. So 7 is the difference of 44 and 37. In which problem? In this problem, what is 52? So we are subtracting 73 minus 21. So the answer 52. 52 is the difference of 73 and 21. 52 is the difference of 73 and 21. In this problem, what is 40? So we are adding 33 and 7, right? And when we are adding two numbers, so 40 is the sum because we are adding 33 and 7. So 40 is the sum. Is 48. 42 plus 6. So we are adding, right? So 42 plus 6 equals 48. That is sum. 48 is the sum of 42 plus 6. In this problem, what is 60? 48 plus 12 equals 60. 60 is the sum. Option number 2 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 26? 61 minus 35. 26 is the difference. Option number 2 is the correct option. In this problem, what is 33? So, which is the correct option? 33 is the difference of 53 and 20. Difference it is. In this problem, what is 23? 30 take away 7. So we are subtracting, right? 23 is the difference of 30 and 7. That is difference. Okay, we are done with the lesson. So please make sure before the next we were working on grade 1 math. The chapter we were working on is mixed operations. The lessons we have covered today are subtraction sentence is true or false, 10 more or less, add and subtract tens, addition and subtraction terms. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button to help you, or either you can write them down in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So any questions you can please ask if you have any. No questions? Okay, then that's all for today. See you